keep getting wet every time I do this. So there's our reel, and there's our line, and then way down at the end we got our little fish. You guys really don't want to see it, do you?
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
We want to see it.
Yes.
You have, right,
Want to see everything.
Okay, so we got our reel, we got our fishing line.
bait.
Up comes the bait.
And then you're gonna be on fire.
Yeah, you'll be flaming.
So there's our little friend.
Oh my god.
So that little fish, he'll pose for a picture. He's been really good today. All the little kids have enjoyed seeing him. So we sink him back down.
Looks like you can almost do Coco.
And then the question everyone wants to know, well, two questions. What kind of fish do you catch?
Yes.
Perch, perch, bass.
It's not frozen fish.
Fish sticks.
Fish sticks.
So then everyone wants to know, how do you know when you catch one?
Yeah.
When the big fish eats the little fish, it pulls the line and does that, and then that pops up,
Oh.
and then we run over and check to see.
That's not the brightest
Pull
thing
it
I've
up.
ever seen.
So you have to watch all the holes of the flag pop up.
Oh, there are many holes.
Yeah.
Not only one.
So you sit here and you wait for the flag. Oh, nice.
I remember I used
And
to
then
do
they
this
yell flag and all
And that's why you have to have a fire.
the fire so they can sit here.
Oh yeah.
Fire and
That's amazing.
Oh my god.
So what you say what's the thickness of the ice?
Oh, you know, like fishing, everyone gets drunk.
It's probably 10 inches of ice, 8 inches of ice total. But you can see there's this lip of about 2 inches thick,
Yes.
and then down there there's the thicker pond ice.
Oh, yeah.
So there's like a layer of water underneath there. So it's a little sloppy once you chop a hole.
Wow. That's the fire. Wow.
Yeah, a little slippery over there. So.
Incredible.
Suave.
Oh, you cook. Hello.
Alright.
Oh, so close. Wow.
Oh, it's burning.
What do you cook? Pasta.
It's water for hot cocoa. Those are ramen noodles. We do hot dogs.
Really well equipped, huh? I'm impressed. Oh, really nice, huh?
Mark made the stove.
Willie, that's messing up with the stove. It's melting the
Yeah,
boot.
Willie, I don't know what you're doing, but stop it.
Yeah, those are my boots.
There it is.
Probably pretty good boots too.
Yeah.
Sometimes they have these.
I wish I had those boots. They're probably waterproof.
Oh, that's good. Not really. I have little puddles.
Will, they're made out of solid rubber. How would it possibly get in there?
Higher ground.
Yeah.